Welcome everyone to my new video on Celestia cryptocurrency, which is a game started to perform. We had a pause, a delayed type of activity, and now again it's dominating the biggest gainers out there for the past 24 hours. It is not amongst the trendings. We have other cryptocurrencies sitting there, but the market is looking forward to having another push towards the upside. So Celestia, if it has the ability to break the top, we're going to discover a new price action movement in the price discovery and have the ability to print a variety of patterns right there. So let's discuss on the charts and find out more exactly as it is. Before we get into that, make sure to check out the one-on-one coaching program, especially for those of you that are serious about the business and would like to become traders, whether we talk about part-time or full-time. You want to do this activity seriously with your resources, then get the proper education on the topic. As well, the one-on-one sorry, not the one-on-one, but the done for you trading with no prior fee, only commission from the profits made, a trading where we have a ChatGPT bot helping us perform. This is basically completely outsourced. You only have to check forward every 7 days the trading report for the commission. So that's pretty much all, guys, on the topic. Commission is paid by you, no upfront fees. Like I said, commission is only from the profits we achieve. So let's discuss about Celestia's situation on the 1 hour candlesticks. Are we supposed to be a little scared out here after we have formed a such structure? Well, the outcome is definitely not, because we just broke out of the trending line that comes from the all-time high. This is Celestia's all-time high situation on $7.4. So talking about the upcoming movements, we are already in a cycle for Celestia that speaks about the all-time high price discovery moments. This is not something comparable to the other altcoins that are not in the all-time high. That's a total different market structure, and it supposes to have different indications and strategies that we are applying. Now, the number one target that we clearly see for Celestia is in between 2.618 and 3 Fibonacci. These two lines right there. And this is anywhere between 6.4 up to $7. This would be the first realistic target I'm talking about for the upcoming days, which means that after we have been finding support on previous resistance line that was quite strong, to be honest with you, especially a couple of days ago on 25th of November, we've been dumped from there, establishing a new low compared to this structure, yet a double bottom structure as a final macro stability, from where we've been able to successfully break out, retest, and now we're moving. So the next target would be in between the $6.4 and $7 for Celestia, and then that's where the big deal comes in, depending how BTC is performing, depending if we still have the force to continue with the Bitcoin market and the Ethereum guys. We are looking for touching an all-time high position again for Celestia within December 2023. So this is the current situation, guys. The market stability is right there. It offers us the possibilities to go through the best days out there as yet to come. What about the next bull cycle? Well, for Celestia, the next bull cycle is something that we don't have information about from the past in terms of price action at those levels compared to other cryptocurrencies that have been through a bull cycle, that have been through a market situation dominated for more than a year about bulls. This is a situation where Celestia has not been. And I would like to tell you that cryptocurrencies that are not usually having a historical price action in that direction are having much more ability to talk about bigger returns on their numbers compared to the ones that are having. Why is it so? Simply said, previous price actions for the ones that have been going through all-time high cycles and bull market cycles have a lot of combination of resistances that need to fight with. Celestia is not having to fight with those resistances. Celestia is going to gain a lot of the new people buying into and handling the process because of the big percentages it's going to print day by day. So it will attract a lot quicker bigger audiences, bigger speculators, bigger investors, and bigger traders than the other cryptocurrencies that are going to move slower because they're not in the same phase like Celestia used to be. So back in the day when you were talking about the other altcoins such as Cardano, for example, just as a random example, when we were going all-time high for Cardano, it was different than now climbing back to the all-time high. The process is completely different from the fundamental standpoint of the charts, price action, strategies, and indicators. So we're actually looking at a picture that is very, very comprehensive. Yet Celestia is having advantage in this game. For that being said, we are not only talking about the double digits area, which would be a joke and obviously a nonsense, but I will try to actually portray numbers in the 3 digits area, which means above $100. So this is the current instance, and this is the current possibility out there. Beautiful. Once again, if you value education, if you're serious about the business, it's not worth to leave money on the table, or it's not worth to think about getting education after you have lost everything. Make sure you get it before, and schedule up yourself a free conversation with me as well. Check out the page. All the resources towards the coaching or trading can be found in the description area of this video or in the comments area, as well the ability for you to schedule up a free call with me on Calendly. Have a good time, folks. Like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we talk to you soon.